Most reflective films on the market today have difficulty conforming around even the simplest curves on the average vehicle.
This is a challenging area to wrap for any reflective film. The front of this hood has a three-sided corner that works into a channel. We are going to have to get this reflective film to conform around this entire area. We begin the application by applying gentle heat to the uninstalled vinyl. Guide the heated vinyl around the first and easiest curve, and then anchor it with a firm squeegee stroke. Apply a little more heat and gently work the vinyl over the ridge that defines the third curve. IllumiNITE Wrap is a repositionable reflective film, so if you don't quite get the curve right the first time, you can pop it up, recover it completely, and get it right the next time. When you have the vinyl evenly stretched over the ridgeline, set it firmly with your squeegee, completing the third side of the curve. The next part of the application is difficult to do with most reflective films because they are usually rigid and bruise easily when heated. The three-sided curve and channel has caused this flat area to have excess material. Divide it evenly along the length of the hood and then apply generous heat to the entire area, causing the excess vinyl to shrink slightly and the material to lay flat. After the vinyl has settled and is just slightly warm, begin applying with your squeegee from the top of the ridge down to the bottom of the channel. After the channel is completed, slowly work your way across the flat area to the outer edges of the hood. Although IllumiNITE Wrap is a soft and conformable reflective film, it's critical to set all the edges with moderate heat. Then, when the vinyl has cooled to the resting temperature of the vehicle, post-heat all of the edges and seams for a perfect and lasting finish. IllumiNITE Wrap conforms perfectly around curves like this with no bruising, chatter lines, or loss of color.
With the right reflective film, you can be confident wrapping all parts of your vehicle.